Maintaining tool and parts inventory is time-consuming for ValleyBox employees. Weekly, an employee performs inventory counts, then submits purchase requests to purchasing using one of 10 templates. Purchasing then creates POs for each vendor. We then receive those items in the front office. The employee restocks the hardware trailer, then this process is repeated again the next week. Additionally, ValleyBox has to track VOC usage. The employee doing inventory has to track each spray can used and submit that information weekly to purchasing. On top of all this, the employee with access to the locked hardware trailer is constantly interrupted. Employees needing tools and supplies from the locked side of the hardware trailer have to walk around the company looking for the employee who can grant them access. This is time wasted for both employees. At ValleyBox, we feel it's more cost-effective for the employees to be manufacturing product that is sold to customers. So we started working with Fastenal to discuss how they could maintain these inventory levels for us. The solution is a vending machine that communicates electronically our current stock levels. Fastenal keeps an on-hand inventory of these items at their Santee facility and restocks as needed. Additionally, the vending machine sends reports to our purchasing department on the VOC spray can use and eliminated the tracking sheet. By implementing this vending machine, we have effectively reduced interruptions and have granted access to these tools and hardware to all production employees.